Mr. Bolton, you state you have reason to believe Ms. Beto's child may not be your biological daughter. You say you are desperate to discover the truth because you've already grown to love her as your own.
Yes, ma'am. In a sense, I was happy because Ms. Beto was pregnant with a child. Child was supposed to be mine. See, Your Honor, here's the thing. When the baby was born, I cut the umbilical cord, the doctors wiped the baby off, and they gave Ms. Beto the baby at first. She was still fatigued from delivering birth.
Understandably.
So they gave me the baby. The doctor that gave the procedure to deliver the baby, he handed me the baby and he looked at me. He said, "Are you sure this baby's yours?" And I looked at the doctor. I looked at the doctor. I'm like, "What do you mean?" He said, "Because this baby's white." I'm looking at him like, "What do you mean this baby's white?"
Jerome, have you ever heard of such?
But
that's a first for me.
This is the reason. This is the reason. This is a picture of Ileana when she was first born, and when the doctor made that comment, this is the reason why we're here right there.
Okay, Your Honor, let me just say this. We are, that was stupid. We're mixed. I'm Dominican and black. He's Puerto Rican and black. People in my family have different color eyes. My eyes are hazel. My father's eyes are green. He told me that when he was a young boy, when he was a baby, as a matter of fact, his eyes were blue and then they turned green. So I don't see where the doubt is. The doubt began because people continuously said, "Oh, she's white. Oh my God, she's so white. Oh, she's so white." What's wrong with that?
Well, when the doctor asks you,
Look, in fact,
you know, before congratulations, are you sure this is your child? That's doubt.
They doubt. She mine, I know. She his, I know.
But that's what I'm saying. For the father, that can be overwhelming.
It can be overwhelming. It can be overwhelming. But you have to know your mate. And if you know that you have a loyal, faithful, loving woman, then anything anybody say,
so Mr.
go
Bolton,
one ear and out the other.
did you know you had a loving, faithful, loyal woman?
I did, but that's the relationship. If you look at the baby's white.
So until you were in the delivery room, you had no doubts about Ms. Beto. You didn't feel like she was cheating.
I didn't have any doubts until the doctor said something. When we brought Ileana home from the hospital, we had friends and family come over to see the baby, then looking at the baby like, "Oh, she's beautiful, she's beautiful." Is she yours?
That's not what they said, Your Honor. What they were saying, maybe on his side, but my side, they did make some comments, but of course I defended. That's my daughter, you know? So I see him all the time in her. I see a little bit of my features, but mostly I see him.
Your Honor, maybe 2 weeks when Ileana came home, the same boss that we both work for him, he came to the house and brought a stroller to the home as a gift. And he's from Alabama, you know, he's country guy, you know. But he looked at the baby, he's like, "Rico, is this baby yours?" I look at him like, "What you mean?" He says, "This baby's white." So I'm like, wow.
So now the doctor, your family members, and your boss
people in
are
public
all just openly asking you.
Yeah, is this baby mine? Even when I go to the grocery store, Your Honor, when I go to the grocery store, they're looking at me, "Oh, it's a beautiful baby, she's gorgeous." Is she yours? And it's only because she's skin color, the blue eyes, you know, it's like, wow, but.
Seems to be fading. What once was found.
These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics and they read as follows.
All I've ever known.
In the case of Beto v. Bolton, when it comes to the paternity of Ileana Bolton, and as to whether Mr. Bolton is her biological father, it has been determined by this court. Mr. Bolton, you are her father.
Que yo dice, but what I tell you.
Your Honor, can I ask Ms. Beto a question?
Yes, you may.
You don't got no questions for me.
Everything.
What once was fantasy.
Well, I'll do that.
All I've ever known.
This is beautiful to see. I'm very happy for you. Marriage takes work, and I want you all to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
So happy for you. Court is adjourned.